UAT environment and then to prepare the accounting entry. Follow me step by step. So it's better to log in UAT successfully.
Okay, I understand. Okay, but we have 3 additional users in Dubai. They don't have login.
Okay,
so we are waiting for login for them.
Okay, do you mean except Emily and then except you still have another 3 Dubai staff are required to log in UAT environment, right?
Yes.
Okay, if so, then can you please type your another 3 staff name in chat or in function, and then let us to create it for them. Because the phase 2, I just only received these 2 staff name to create it in both UAT and production.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. We'll give you the name. Yeah.
Okay. Please type in the chat of the Zoom meeting or in function. Okay, then can we start the meeting right now or still waiting for anybody?
We can start now because they already confirmed.
Okay, then start the meeting. Thanks for joining SAP meeting. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay, first, this is introduction of SAP. Please log in SAP. Please click this icon to log in SAP. And then please select the UAT environment, and then one is production. Select UAT environment and then click the log on button. And then you type your login ID and then password. Okay. So you log in SAP, okay? You can know that, okay, do you see at the top menu, which is menu bar, and then here, this is SAP standard function bar, and here, this is input T code command bar, and then here, this is active menu. So in the SAP standard bar, if you find the command bar is hidden, then you follow me to type this close command field. You follow me to type at once, then the command bar is closed. If you find the command bar is hidden, please press this open command bar field to turn on the command bar. Or you can follow me to try together. Let's go to the bottom line here, the bottom line. You can select this arrow button to view the status. Now, you can see the user. This is my ID, FI009. And now I'm sitting in session manager. This is the main manager. So this is state of bar. Okay. And then next one, please go to the system at the top of menu bar, and then you follow me to select new GUI window. Please click at once. And then you click system new GUI window once again. You follow me to click this icon. And then you go to the bottom. Naturally, you have already opened several windows. Or you click the last 4 icon button in SAP function bar. Here, this is also the new GUI window icon. You click once again, and then click once more again. So you go back to the bottom line. Initially, you have already opened several windows. This is meaning for SAP has support for multitasking function. System allow you to open more than one window up to 6 windows. And system allow you to operate in different entity. Okay, this is what the system new GUI window function. So please click this close button to close the window. Okay, up to the last one. The next one is I'm going to introduce for you T code and also operation code. Okay, go back to the SAP. This is T code command bar. You can please follow me to type F-65 and then press enter. Okay, after you type the T code F-65, you are going to the new transaction page. This is called pack document. Okay, and then you click this exit button, go back to the main menu. So you just know that F-65 here, initially it is called T code. And the T code, the description is journal document packing. So you can see my dumb screen, you can see my screen. This is the transaction description. In front of transaction description, they are T code. They are called T code. So, for example, I type another T code, F-04. This is another T code. It stands for post with keyring. So the T code is F-04 and then enter. Then you go to the new transaction page. It's called post with keyrings. Okay. If you want to add the T code in your favorites, you can go to system. You can go to favorites and then insert transaction. Okay, you may type, for example, you type F-65 and then enter. After you type this one, then this T code will be added in your favorite bar. Can you follow it? Okay. The next one I will introduce to you for the operation code. One of the operation code is /n. Okay, let me demonstrate to you. /n is, okay, now you can follow me to type the T code F-65. And then at this moment, you click your command bar and then type /n and then enter. Okay, this operation code will bring you back to the main menu. Okay, then you go back to the PowerPoint. The operation code /n is stand for close the current T code. Okay, the next one is /n and then another T code. Please follow me. The first type F-65. Okay, and then already. Oh, that's all. F-65. Okay, and then now I type another operation code is /n and then another T code. I type /n. Please follow me. FBV3. Okay. Please follow me to type /n and FBV3 in the command bar. And then press enter. At this moment, this T code is meaning for will not bring you back to the main menu and go to the new transaction window. Is called display pack document. This is new transaction. You go to the status and check. Now you are in the transaction page called PBV3. Oh, what's the difference between /n is close the current T code and then back to main menu? And then the next one is /n and then T code. This is do not bring you back to the main menu and immediately go to the new T code. No, this is called FBV0. And then another T code is, another operation code is /O and then new T code. Okay, please follow me. Go to the command bar. Please do not exit and directly type /O and then F-04. Okay, please follow me to type /O and then F-04 and press enter. Now, this operation code, you can go to the bottom. Initially, system will not close the existing one and then will turn to the new one. This is meaning for this operation code is another new T code window is open for you and will not bring you back to the main menu. So you can go to the bottom. Initially, you have already turned on 2 windows. Okay, to stay the same as the previous one GUI window. So another operation code is called /I. /I is meaning for close active T code. So you go to the SAP, okay, please type, follow me to type /I, okay, and then enter. You can go to the bottom. The new window has been closed. One of the function transaction window has been closed. Just only keep the last one, FBV0, FBV3. At this time, you click this yellow icon to exit to the main menu. So what's meaning for the /I? This is meaning for close active T code. So there are different 4 operation code. Okay, hope you follow it. Another SAP taskbar to introduce is execute button, enter button, and exit, just only to show you already, and save and back. Okay, you can follow me. Okay, please type FBV3 and then type the document list. Okay, now I think you're watching me first because you don't have the information in your environment. Going to extract the list of packet document under my ID, and then I select input some of the criteria. For example, from the first day of November to today. Now, I just click. This is called execute button here. Execute button. System will extract all of the document I posted. Okay, if I go back to this page, at this time, I do not click the execute button. I click the enter button. This is enter button. I click the enter button directly, then system will not extract any information to you. This is meaning for when you are completed to key in some information in the form, you should click the execute button to perform the task, not directly click the enter button. Okay, so what's the difference between execute button and the enter button? If you are going to fill in some form with the information, okay, then you should click the execute button. And then exit and back. Here, this is exit button, and this is the back button. Okay, go back to the previous page. And then the next one is how to check, how to search the GL account code, and introduce to you one of the function is called wildcard applications. You can follow me. Please type FBL3N, okay? FBL3N in the command bar. You can follow me. And then press enter. Now, here's the GL account. You can click this button, and then I type for example, I'm going to search the GL account code in the prefix 1000 and then asterisk. This is the wildcard. And then I click the start search button. Okay, I'll repeat. I click this icon, and then if you right click, I search GL account description in Java account. Okay, at this time, I type, for example, I type transportation, and then wildcard. Okay, wildcard. You can follow me, and then I press enter. All of the transportation Java account code now are displayed in your screen. Okay, this is what the function of wildcard. Or go back to the material. Now, I do not use the wildcard. Another apply multi-query criteria. Now, I do not click this icon. I click this multiple selection icon, and you can type more criteria and help you to search a GL account. So, okay, this is two ways for you to search a GL account. So, okay, please click the exit, go back to the main menu. And the next one is user preference. Under system and user profile on data, please follow me to select system, user profile, and on data. Yeah, please follow me and click the on data button. Then, can you go to your user profile information page? This is suppose your name and default and parameters. Okay, this is your own user profile informations. And the next one is user preference setting. So, for example, please click the last button, the last icon here. Please click, and then click the options. You can see that you can set customization in your own preference. For example, the production environment, I defaulted in green color. And it is UAT environment. Okay, I set up in system setting environment, so I click OK. Okay, once again, example, I click the UAT environment. Okay, UAT environment in red color. I click OK. Okay, this is customization for your layout. You can use this icon. Refer to the material. Some of the function key in your keyboard This is F1 for help, F3 for back, F4 for query, and then F6 for execute. What is the meaning for if I prepare the accounting entry here? For example, I don't understand what's meaning of reference. Then you can press your keyboard F1 button, and the help information will be prompted up. Or you selected this icon. This icon is meaning for help, and then F1 in your keyboard. Okay. This is introduced for you for the function key in your keyboard. And the copy, same as Excel, okay? If you click here, then the copy the all lines. If you click one line, then you click here. And also another function key in your keyboard is backspace. For example, document date. I press once at your backspace in your keyboard. Then the history information will be prompted up. Okay, you can refer to your history informations. So, okay, this is just introductions. Okay. The next one is simply to introduce to you the SAP chart account covering for main business income and direct operating costs, together with some analysis code to generate the P&L report. This is what the SAP financial reports logic. And this is the analysis code in SAP already default.
They have to change the data same as you.
Okay. How to change? Okay. And let me close this window first. Please click the customization logo layout and click the options. Now, at the top, this is the production environment. I defaulted in green color. And then now I selected the gold color for UAT environment. And then press one and okay. Okay, then I log out. I log in again. Now, for my product, for my UAT environment, already changed in golden color. Or let me repeat. I click the customization local layout button and then options. Remember, at the top, this is the production environment. Now you are sitting in UAT environment 610. So I selected system setting. So I click apply and then okay. And then I log out, log off, and then we log in again. Okay. Let me try again. This is okay, I select the red color. Default color. Repeat. In UAT, now I'm going to select the red color, and then click OK. Now I log off. I'll be logged in again. You can see the changes in UAT environment. Now this is red color. The customization for me. Is it okay?
Hi, Cecilia.
Yes.
Sean.
Yes,
See, the question is how this SAP layout, when you're showing them changing of color, if you don't mind to show the layout option, theme setting. The first one, theme setting. The visual design theme setting. Yeah, theme setting, yes. Second one. Yeah. Yeah. So that you need to change to SAP signature theme.
actually,
Because there's a different.
Regarding the layout, actually, it is part of the installation, and the installation colleagues should find the Word document to update this layout for you. Let me show the screen to Cecily, and Cecily publish to you. 你係收到 Teams 㗎，我 Teams 個 dump screen 俾你啊。
好。轉翻先，我睇唔慣紅色。
佢哋已經係新嘅嗰個 layout 咧，你整都唔會係佢見到嘅 screen 嚟。我收咗聲。Okay, so everyone, can you ask your local IT to come to this SharePoint and download this document? And this document is referring how to update your latest version menu to our standard version. Is it okay?
Is it okay, Sean?
Cecily, yes, I'm okay. I mean, because I went through the first training, so my team and the layout is okay. But some colleague, the layout is different from yours one.
So once our SAP is in classic menu, we cannot change back to the new version. So it is hard for us to show you how to change right now. But if you refer back to the document, it is from the brand new menu and then how to fine tune to our classic menu. Is it okay?
Okay, then let's go back.
I might say it's okay.
Okay. Okay, let's back to the material. When you prepare the okay, this is a SAP analysis book already built in SAP. This is from L to L10. L1 stands for warehouse, and then L2 is ICP code. L4 is business segment, and L5 is department, employee, or salesman code. L6 is the movement. L7, this is stakeholder code for customer and supplier. L8 is branch, and L10 is tax. So when you prepare the accounting entry, you may see the following analysis code. Some of the analysis code are required to mandatory fill in. For example, business segment. This is mandatory requires to prepare the accounting entry to key in when you prepare the accounting entry. So this is just for your information. In SAP, the analysis code for call center and profit center, some of the analysis code has been defaulted, just like L1 warehouse, L5 department, L8 branch. These three analysis code has already defaulted in call center and profit center, which means for when you selected this profit center or call center, the analysis code will allow with them to key in the accounting entry. For example, this one, ICN-01S, they have already allowed with the L1 analysis code with WH1, and then this is IT for department and branch 1, branch A. Do the same, ICN-03S. The analysis scope is WH3 and OP and branch C. However, when you prepare the accounting entry, system allow you to override some of this analysis code. For example, RCS03Z. This one, when user prepare the accounting entry, then the LH branch code now overrides from branch C to branch A. At this moment, then the revenue and cost will be allocated to branch A. If you override the branch from branch C to branch A. So please bear in mind that you are suggested when you prepare the accounting entry, please leave blank for L1 and please leave it blank for L5 and also L8. Otherwise, you will override the analysis code. So just for your information. Okay. Let's start for the SAP Financial Accounting General Ledger. The user manual you can download in sharing folder. Okay, for same as this one user manual, you can download it in sharing folder by yourself. Okay, in SAP, we are talking about master data. The master data are covering for GL account code, call center, profit center, customer and vendor, and analysis code. And all of the master data through the business process and turn the data to SAP and then to perform the monthly closing. So in this diagram, we can say that in the revenue part, this is generated from another two applications. This is called CIAM and CDP. This is to handle the revenue from these two applications and then post automatically and to SAP. Okay, for revenue part. And for human cost, and also for salary, for admin expenses, you are required to key in this kind of accounting entry in SAP by manually and then post it to SAP. After that, then you can perform the month-end closing after all the data completed in SAP. And this is the whole system flow chart of account receivable management. The AR system flow chart are covering for 6 applications. This is the name of applications. The first one is O-bill. O-bill is handled for external customer for express business. And also, this external customer in express business will turn the information to CIAM and start to generate the billing system. For external customer, but non-express business, we are called this is other business. Then you are required to key in this accounting entry in CIAM by manually. And also, after you key in this accounting entry for non-express business, then all of them will post to SAP. So you can think about that. SAP is just only for the general ledger, the GL. And the CIAM, this is including customer information. So CIAM is subledger of account receivable. So please remember that all of the revenue, you must go to CIAM to prepare the accounting entry. Please do not book the revenue accounting entry in SAP directly. Okay? All of them will record in CIAM because it's related to customer, external customer. For internal customer, this is intercom sales and intercom calls. Another application is called ITPP. This application will handle all of the internal sales and internal calls. And through this application, we'll turn the billing transaction to CTP for confirmation and for settlement, ready for settlement. And finally, we'll turn to SAP for posting to SAP. So for revenue, okay, CIM, this is the external customer. For ITPP and CTP, this is calling for internal customer and internal sales and internal costs. For OCCP, this is related for customer settlement. When customers pay the money to you, then you're required to post it, record it in OCCP. And then through this OCCP, and then you post the transaction to CIAM and start to account elimination. Okay, that's why for account receivable flowchart, this is covering for 6 applications. So therefore, for this training, you are covering for 6 applications. So for F&A staff, you must understand these 6 applications. Otherwise, you cannot perform the month-end closing in SAP because the revenue cost is generated from OBIL, OCCP, CIM, ITPP, and CDP. Then another question is, what's the sourcing data of OBIL? Okay, let's simply to introduce to you. The sourcing data of OBIL here, this is the OBIL. The blue color application just introduced to you covering for account receivable management. You can divide it into 2 parts. Okay, you can divide it into 2 parts. The upper part and lower part. Upper part is called frontline system and operation system. It's covering about 13 applications. So the starting point of frontline system is CDM. This is customer information contract management, and turn the data into order placing, and then turn to the airway bill, airway information, and also some of the application is handle tax calculation, and some of the application are to handle a discount calculation, and so and so. To consolidate of these 13 applications and then to interface posting to OBIL. That's why the frontline application, this is the sourcing information to OBIL. Okay, this is operation system. Okay, just simply to introduce to you. Okay, let's start to learn how to check the GL account code in SAP.
有小問題先通少個 chart 嘅時候咧，佢哋問如果 income 嘅 other business billing 應該點樣去到 record 啊？most 佢有個 question 出嚟先啊，通常你嗰個 NST。準備兩先嘅。
So one of the inquiries is something about the intercom non-express business and how to record it. And
thank you for your question regarding how to record for any other business billing, which is the intercom. And I will put this question all together, and then at the end of this session, we will coordinate with SSIT colleagues to answer it together. Is it okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
okay, then we start the SAP chart accounts. So please log in SAP. Okay. Oh, please watch the video first. Please watch the video first.
Hello everyone, welcome to GL module course. In this short video, we'll introduce how to display GL account in chart of account and company code. We can use T-code FSP0, input the T-code FSP0 in command field, and press enter. Designated account number directly or click this icon for searching the account by account number or description. Like labor cost asterisk. Press enter. Then double the account you needed. Click display icon for having detail information. For other icons, change, create, block, delete only allowed to be maintained by KLNHQ Finance Admin. Here is the account number and account description. For Carry Group, there is only one chart of account KL00. The tab type / description defines account group. Account attributes for P&L statement account or balance sheet account, and you will see functional area of account is controlled. Description, short text and long text of the account. Consolidation account for trading partner. For tab keyword / translation, you can see the account description in different language. Tab information is for the account maintains records in chart of account. For part 2 of this short video, we'll introduce how to display a GL account in company code, input the T-code FSS0 in command field, and press enter. Input the account number and company code. Click display icon for having detail information. For other icons, change, create, block, delete only allowed to be maintained by KLNHQ Finance Admin. Here are the account control data in company code. And from this tab, you can see the account control field group. And tab information is for the account maintains records in company code. Thanks for watching.
Okay. Type FSP0 in the command bar. Okay. Please follow me to type FSP0. We're going to try to check the account code under characteristic. And then please click this icon and then send the previous slide and then type, for example, type transportation cost, transportation, and asterisk. Can you do this? Can you follow? Then all of the descriptions starting from transportation are brought up. And double click. After you selected the account code, you can click this display icon. And then you can see the information of this account code. Same as the video, okay, this free page. Can you follow? Or try again. Please click this button. And then you can right click to search another information just like GL account number in chart of accounts. And then this time, I don't understand the account number. I just only know the account number prefix starting from 64, and then wildcard, and then press enter. All the account codes starting from prefix 64 are from up here. Okay, I double click anyone and click the display icon. You can see the description of the chart account code. Can you follow? Okay, please click the exit button now. We are using another function key. This one is FSB0, another one is Another function key is FSS0 to search zero account code in company code. So, in the command bar, please type FSS0 and then enter. Now you can see the difference is company code. The company code, you can click this button to select your company. And then you can click this button, do the same. I type 64 and then asterisk and then enter. Okay. And then after you click the account code, please press display icon. Okay, now this account code. So select the other one, transportation, asterisk, and press enter. Okay. After you select the account code, please click this display button to show the related information here. Can you follow? Okay, another one continues. This is related to profit center and cost center. Okay. Let's watch the video first.
Hello everyone, welcome to GL module course. In this short video, we'll introduce how to display the profit center and cost center in SAP. Part 1, Display Profit Center. Input T-code KE53 in command field and press enter. Input a profit center, KUL01S, controlling area, KL00, and press enter. In following tabs, you will see the profit center description, status, analysis period, indicators for usage, the company code list for using this profit center, and other basic information for address, communication information, and maintains historical. For another T-code KCH6N, you can display the profit center standard hierarchy. By click the designated profit center, you will have the detail information displayed as below. Part 2, Display Cost Center. Input T-code KS03 in command field and press enter. Input a cost center, KUL02P, and press enter. In following tabs, you will see the cost collection elements of this cost center, such as the category, hierarchy area, functional area, Profit Center, and you can see the controlling status of usage in this tab. And following are the basic information of this cost center. For another T-code token, you can display the cost center standard hierarchy. By click the designated cost center, you will have the detail information displayed as below. Thanks for watching.
Let's type the T code KE53. We are going to display the profit center. Please type KE53 in the command bar and then press enter. The control area, please type KL00 total logistics and then press enter. The profit center, you can click this icon to select your company code and then click the start button to double click, select the profit center, or you can directly to key in, for example, directly to key in and then press enter. Can you do that? Then you can see the profit center information, same as the video. And the company code, which company can use this profit center, and the address, and then so and so. Please click the exit button. Another one is standard hierarchy for profit center. The T code is KCH6N. KCH6N. Please type KCH6N. This is the standard hierarchy for profit center. Okay. Then you can directly to select the profit center, double click, then the related information will be brought up here. It is the profit center, the hierarchy of profit center. Can you follow? Okay, then next one is please click the exit button, go back to the main menu. The next one is how to display the call center. The T code is KS03. KS03. Please type KS03 for display the call center. You can click this button, this icon, okay, to search your company call center. And double click after it's selected, and then press enter. The call center information are displayed. Same as profit center, okay, you can see so many information here, okay. Then click the exit button, back to the main menu. And the next one is how to check the call center hierarchy by T code OKENN. This is T code for call center hierarchy. OKENN. Okay. Then please press enter. Same as the profit center hierarchy, you can double click the call center. Okay, you can see the related information of the call center here. Can you follow? Okay, then go to the next topic is menu document entry. Let's watching the video first.
Hello everyone, welcome to GL module course. Here we'll introduce how to input a journal entry in GL module. First, input the T code in command field, F65, then press enter. Step 1, fill the header information, as you can see in this zone. Input the document date, we can consider it as the invoice date or the transaction happen date. Next is the document type. Document type is used to distinguish the business type, such as for Assets module, it uses document type AA and AF, and for General Ledger, usually uses SA. You can click this icon for document type selection if needed. Fill in the company code or click this icon for selecting. Fill in the transaction currency. There is no need to fill in the document number, it will be generated automatically after document part. Following is reference, if we are booking for payments, we can input invoice number in this field, and system will have a duplicate check for vendor invoice. If the booking is not for vendor invoice, we can also input some reference by self-defined. And next is document header text, you can have the brief transaction purpose here. Step 2, input the double entry. Take a sample for labor cost booking here. Posting key 40 is for debit entry here. For General Ledger, no need to change, or click this icon for having more types of posting key selection. Input the account number directly, or click this icon for fuzzy searching by account number or description. For example, input labor cost asterisk and press enter for fuzzy searching. The symbol asterisk can represent for one or more characters. Double-click an account. Press enter to next page. Input the amount. Job attributes is required to fill for labor cost. Click this icon for selecting Tier 1, Tier 2 or Tier 3, double-click. Input a cost center directly or click this icon for searching. For example, input KUL asterisk and press enter. Double-click a cost center. Then click More here to fill in other business elements. L4 business segment is required to fill in to distinguish business types, for local delivery and trucking, warehouse, for export or import. Double-click this icon for selecting, double-click. Press enter to turn back. Functional area is used to distinguish the nature of expenses, and we have the types of direct operating cost, selling and marketing expense and administrative expense now. For labor costs, it is derived by cost center, account code, and job attributes. For those non-labor cost, functional area is derived by cost center, account code. And for other elements, will be linked out automatically by the setting rules. Fill in the line description. Then we need to input the credit side for this double entry. Fill in the posting key 50 for credit entry, input the account. Or click this icon for account selection. Input the account main description, such as employee asterisk. Press enter, double-click the account for this transaction. Press enter to next page. Fill in the amount for credit side. And fill in the line description in text here. Click check for pre-checking of this double entry. Here we'll have a message for checking result. This is a warning message with this yellow sign. Press enter to ignore if not thing need to be modify. Then you can overview the whole information of this journal entry. Click this button for part this document. Then the document number generated, and here is a message with document number for you. Thanks for watching.
Okay, then let's start to prepare the accounting entry in SAP. Please follow me for the accounting entry. For your information regarding for the manual document entry, we will covering for these 6 T code. The first one is F-65. This is the general document packing. So please type F-65 in the command bar. And then please press enter. System will bring you to the transaction page pack document. And this is the document header. Okay, let's go to one by one. Document date. If you refer to my material, the document date is stand for invoice date and transaction date. So you can type, for example, I type today. And the document type, you can click this icon to view. There's many of the document type, the different document type for you to select it. For example, if you have prepared the access entry, then you select AA, or if you prepare the depreciation posting, and then the document type will be AF. For now, we are going to prepare the accounting entry under the general account, GL account document, so it's default SA, okay? And this is the company code. Please select your company code. Okay, refer my material, document type, usually GL stands for SA. For the accounting period, the posting day is same as the document day. And the posting period, this is the November. And the currency. For example, I'm going to prepare the foreign currency billing, foreign currency transaction, say USA. Because the local currency is Malaysia ringgit, then this is the foreign currency. Then what's the next of the foreign currency? You can refer to my material. The next of currency, this is franc, okay? This is meaning to follow the spot rate in contract sign. This is meaning for some of the customer, they have the contract signed with you along with their spot rate, okay? Along with their spot rate, the contract. So when you prepare the entry, you are required to key in the spot rate. You signed on the agreement. So here, this is the spot rate. You agreed with your customer and type here. Otherwise, you keep it blank. You do not key anything. Then the conversion rate will be extracted from exchange rate table in SAP. Okay? And this one is translation days. Refer to my material. Translation day is also to determine it for the exchange rate. Also determine it for exchange rate. This is meaning for when you are going to prepare the reverse entry in current month, then the conversion rate will use the last month, the original billing conversion rate. Otherwise, you cannot reverse, you cannot eliminate to the zero. So if you are going to prepare the reverse entry, then you may select it. For example, I'm going to prepare the reverse entry and the conversion rate will be the last month on this day. After you select it, then the conversion rate will be follow this day of last month. So otherwise, you just keep it blank. Okay, I do not type anything. Then the conversion rate will be captured in the exchange rate table in SAP. Now the document number, okay, refer to the material. The document number, no need to fill in. This is system will generate automatically after document type part. So the logic of the document number, you can see here, the logic of the document number is per company code plus fiscal year plus document type. This is unique number, will not duplicate. So go back to the SAP here, no need to key in. This is the system to generate. For reference, this is if you prepare the AP transaction, this is supply invoice number. Normally type of supply invoice number. And also, SAP has the unique reference checking in the reference here. When you prepare the AP transaction or payment to vendor, you need reference checking in the reference field to avoid any duplication of booking for the supplier. So we normally to type the invoice number. Please follow me to type the invoice number. Okay. When document test transaction, okay, this is meaningful. What's the description? What the description of this invoice header? Okay, you type anything. And here, what's meaning of the partner B area? Go back to my material here. Please keep brand. Brand is system default. Okay. Then now start the accounting entry here. This is the first line, start the accounting entry. The first one to introduce is posting key. Posting key, what's meaning of posting key? You can refer my material. Posting keys to determine the account type. The posting key to determine debit or credit side and to determine additional information. Let's click the button and then to view what's meaning of the posting key. Please click this icon. You can see the posting key from 00 to 99. And also account type, you can see C and then B and then G, okay, M, and D stand for debit and credit. Refer to my material. C stand for customer, and then V stand for vendor, and G stand for general ledger. For this meaning for if you prepare the accounting entry for general ledger, the debit side, the posting key will be 40. And the credit side, the posting key will be 50. So you go back to the accounting entry, 40. You select 40. This is meaning for general ledger debit entry. Therefore, go back here. The posting key, this is the document entry. The document entry is controlled by posting key. So if you select the wrong posting key, then the accounting entry will be wrong, okay? Now, you are required to prepare some exercise during the training. The first exercise, please follow me to prepare. Line 1 is debit labor cost, and then the line 2 is credit employee payable. Please follow me. The first one is select 40, and then please click this button. Now, please right-click and ensure you are select GL account description in child account. And then type the labor cost and then wildcard. And then select any one of the labor costs. I'm going to select the wages. Okay, can you follow? Okay, about these two cells, refer to my material. These two cells information, you can keep it blank because these two cells of information may require for another module, just like fixed assets module. For this journal ledger, you can keep it blank and continuous. Okay, then go back to SAP. Now, press enter to the next page. Can you follow? Now, please type the amount. For example, I type the amount $1,000 US dollar, and then convert to local conversion amount. Please click at the top, the more data at once. System will calculate the conversion from US dollar to local currency, Malaysia ringgit, and this is the home currency, Hong Kong dollar. We'll use the exchange rate table to calculate automatically. And then you click more data once again, go back to the accounting entry. And here, the job attribute. You are required to select the job attribute for labor cost. Please click this icon to select any one of the job attribute. For example, I select Tier 1. And then call center, I directly to type Malaysia and then anyone. And then type the text. This is the description for the line 1. For example, I type the description for the line 1. And then remember to click this small button. For L4 analysis code business segment, this is mandatory field. You must key in. Otherwise, this invoice cannot be saved because this is mandatory field. Another one, all of the others, please click it blank and click the continuous button. You can see the functional area has been mapped because this functional area has been mapped under call center. So you are required to, you are suggested to do not override, do not change. And then line 1 is complete. Go to the next line. Okay, what's the next line? You can refer to my material. The accounting entry for journal ledger, credit side. The posting key is 50. So please type 50 directly here. You can see the prompt message is journal ledger credit entry. Okay. Please click the icon here and then ensure you are in right click, search, you are in GL account description in chart accounts and type employee and asterisk. Can you follow? And press enter. Now, I'm going to select the one is labor wages. Okay. After I select this account code, please press enter to the next page. The amount. Do you remember the introduction? You press your space bar in your keyboard. Then the history transaction is come up. Please select $1,000 if the amount is same as the last one. And then click the more data button to get the conversion amount in local Malaysia ringgit. And then remember, for bank account, because this is this is not bank account. Okay, and then click more data. Go back to the transaction page, and then the segment. And please click the more button, and then tap the call center. And also the L4 business segment. Select any one of the business segment and then click continuous. Okay, this one to introduce to you. When you see the problem message in yellow sign, this is yellow sign. And this is just for the warning message. This is not an error. If there's nothing to be modified, then you can press enter to ignore it, to go to continuous. So here, I click the enter buttons to continuous because this is not an error, just for the warning message only. So for this case, after I type the text description in the line 2, for example, same as the line 1, okay? Just only complete line 2. You can click this overview button. Can you see it? At the top, the overview button, you can see this is the warning message only. You can see the yellow sign. Press enter to continuous. Then you can see that the overview the accounting entry, and then you can click the check icon here to see the checking posting. Okay. Also, this is the warning message in yellow sign. Please press enter to continuous. And also, this continuous, you have received the warning message in yellow sign. Please press enter to continuous. And press enter to continuous. You can see the bottom. Check successfully in green color signs. At this moment, you can press the save button to pack document. After you click the save button, you can see the bottom. The document number was packed in your company. Can you follow this? Can you follow me? Any questions? If anyone has a question, you can type in the chat of the Zoom or in phone sync.
Because what if they have children?
Oh, okay. One of the question is a bit of a genre. Okay, naturally. Oh, please wait. Here, one of the function we can use. One of the function is called SAP-01. This is using the Excel template to upload in from Excel to SAP to handle a lot of the transaction. So for this one, just only to introduce to you for the time entry by manually in single entry. Is it okay? So to be used SAP-01. Is it okay for this one?
I have a query.
Yes. Any questions?
Can you hear me?
So many echo. I can't hear clearly. Or you can type your inquiry in the chat. Naturally, this function key will be covered later. Let's after go through all of the accounting entry function key first, T code first. The later will guide you how to use this function. But this topic is just only for manual update in SAP. Any question, or you can type in the chat in the show because your sign is so many echo. I can't hear clearly. Okay, for the T code list, okay, go back to the main here. And actually, the T code is, for example, a timetable. You turn on the folder of the timetable, or you turn on the folder financial journal ledger account. You can see the account, the T code and the description. And suggest you you add the T code in your favorite bar, then the from which T code you frequently to use, or otherwise you may go to the folder. For example, AR inquiry, you turn on the folder and then turn on the account AR accounting to select the account T code. And most use the T code you are suggest to add in the favorite bar. Is it your inquiry? And okay, how to add the favorite bar? You can go to, for example, I'm going to add this favorite bar. Okay, for example, I'm going to add the favorite. You point the description and then right click and add your favorite. Add your favorites. You try add your favorite. Oh, you got it. Got it. Okay. Or you go to the top, insert transaction, and type the T code. Okay, there's two ways.
What is the third option?
Okay. Center, this is to determine the okay. Let me explain for the job attributes. For the job attributes, this is required for labor cost because the labor cost accounts were derived by call center, account code, and job attribute. But for the non-labor cost account code, just only derived by call center and account code. And same as the for the functional area, it has already mapped in the call center and profit center. So your question is, what's the purpose of the call center?
Because in SAP, it is initially defined by SFIT teams. And from their experience, they will use Pro Center and Cost Center to analyze all the data in SAP. However, in order to fulfill our carry reporting requirement, we will use another analysis code to analyze our report, like the L code, L analysis code. So from here, from the screen, you can see L4 stand for business segment, L6 stand for movement, etc. And for the P&L journal, we will mainly identify the analysis by LH branch code and L5 department code. And in order to facilitate or to make it easier for you, after you choose the Pro Center or Cost Center, it will automatically link up to corresponding L8 branch analysis and L5 department analysis. And therefore, you can see it as after you choose the correct profit center or cost center, the corresponding correct branch analysis and department analysis will be chosen as well. And that is the meaning of the profit center or cost center. Is it okay?
Is it okay? Is it clear?
Because initially, before you start using the SAP, we have sent out the Excel spreadsheet to confirm what will be the relationship between profit center, cost center, and those branch analysis and department analysis, etc. And therefore, when user posts the journals through this cost center and profit center, the correct branch analysis and department analysis will be used. Is it okay?
Okay, then let's start to next exercise. Okay, please follow me to prepare another exercise. Now, sorry, I didn't get because I can see a lot.
And for this one, can I separately explain to you because you just sent us the cost center and profit center file to me. Yeah, and we can base on your situation and explain to you more detail. Okay.
Okay, then let's start the next exercise. We're going to prepare another exercise for the air course because in SAP, they will automatically compose from CIM and CDP. For the course, you're required to prepare manually in SAP. So please follow me to prepare another exercise too. Line 1 is debit air course, but now with test code. And line 2 is credit band. Because the credit band is some of the further information you are required to key in. So, just for your information, if you are prepared the course and also with the test code, please remember to select the test code here, and then please remember to select the calculate text button here. And also, another information you are required to key in regarding the course, just like origin information and destination information, and also the route number. For example, route number, this is meaningful if you see the warning message. They will require you to fill in the file number. Actually, the file number, the information is same as route number here. So, let's start the line 1. Please follow me to type F-65. And then you can press the space bar to record the history information. And now, at this time, I'm selected the local currency amount, do not change. And then the invoice number. Okay, and invoice number. Please follow me. And then the debit. Remember, you're going to prepare the line 1 debit air course. So please click this button and then remember you search description in travel accounts. So please type transportation cost, asterisk, and press enter. And then please select any one of cost account. I'm going to select it. Here goes this one because you're going to type the cost. And then press enter to the amount. Okay, you type the amount 2,000, and then at this time, please select text code, and then remember to select calculate text. And the call center, for example, directly to type MY and prompt up all Malaysia call center. And type the description for the line 1. Remember to click the More button to key in the mandatory field L4 business segment. Now I selected Export and please Continuous button. Okay, this is just the warning message. Okay, you click the More button. Okay, continues to click the More buttons. Remember the course account, you are required to key in the origin. For example, Hong Kong G, I go to New York, okay, and then the root number, this is file number, and then I click the continuous buttons. This is just only for the warning message. You press enter to continuous line 2. Line 2. Now, line 2, you are going to prepare the credit side in bank account. And then I go to type 50. This is the general ledger credit entry. And I click this icon. For example, now I go to check the GL number in chart account. I remember the bank account is starting from prefix 100, and then I forget the account number and then type the asterisk and enter. So the bank account will now come up. I select this one. I select anyone, and then press the enter. And also you can receive the yellow sign warning message and press enter to continue. Line 2, press the space bar and prompt up the history informations and also type the text information. And then remember to click the more buttons to type L6 movement because this is banned. You are required to key in cash flow in and cash flow out for this analysis code. Okay. And also, you can press open view to view a transaction, or you can click the check button. Okay, just warning message, you enter to skip it. And also, this is the warning message, you also enter. Now you can see this is the red sign. The red sign, this is the error. The error is meaning for you must key in this field. Otherwise, this document cannot be saved. So please click this button to select the reason for the cash flow. The reason for the cash flow, after you click, then you can press enter to continue. Now, the green sign checked successfully, then you can click the save button to pack posting. The document number was packed. Can you follow me? Go back to my material. Regarding for the bank account, regarding for the text, you are remember to click the calculate text and then select the text code. And then the code, you are required to key in the origin and destination and also the root number. Root number is meaning for the file number informations. And also for the bank account, you are required to select the recent code. This is the mandatory field in the red sign. Red sign is meaning for error. you must key in, otherwise cannot be posted. And then after save, okay, after save, then the part document. You can got the part document. Can you follow me? Any inquiry? Okay, if not, you continues. So you part document. Another function, another table is called TBV2. This is the part document change. Let's watch the video first.
Hello everyone, welcome to GL module course. In this short video, we'll introduce T-code FBV2 for parted document changing. Input T-code FBV2 in command field and press enter to next screen. Input the company code, document number, fiscal year, and press enter to next screen. The fields in bright colored can be edited directly. Here you will see we can modify the reference, document header text. Click the button Document Header. You will find except the company code and currency, all the header information can be edited. For example, change the reference and text. Click this icon to turn back. Double-click one of the line item to edit the detail information, except the GL account, all elements can be edited. For example, change the amount to 2000. And change the business segment to IE Express Export. Press enter to continue. Click this icon to turn back. Double-click another line item, change the amount to balance the debit and credit sides. Click this icon to turn back. Click this icon to save the changed document. Here is message for document status. Preliminarily posted document was changed. Thanks for watching.
Okay, let's go to the command bar and then in the command bar BV2. Hit BV2. Press enter. System has, if you already create a part document, system will prompt up the last document here, the last part document here. If this document is correct, then you can enter to continue. Now, you can see the bright color. Bright color field you can change, allow you to change. For example, I'm going to change _1, and also the document header, I type _1, okay, and then at this time, I press the save button. You can get the preliminary post document was changed. Can you follow?
PVJBPC
呢個係關於 AP 同關於 AP 即係你講 AP 公司 A 呢個
應該係將上面嘅十嘅 AA
一次說詞嘅你先。
嗰
For your journal type regarding for the PV, okay, let me show it to you. In the document type, okay, you can click it here in the document type. When the payment here, this is stand for PV. Eventually, this the payment transaction will be covered in AP module.
เป็นเครียด
Okay, for the payment module, we will introduce in AP section. No. Is that okay? Then, okay, back to the material, to the user manual. If it's okay for FBV to change the part document, another one is display the part document. Let's watch the video first.
Hello, everyone, welcome to GL module course. In this short video, we'll introduce T-code FBV3 for part document display. Input T-code FBV3 in command field and press enter to next screen. Input the company code, document number, fiscal year and press enter to next screen. It has the similar operation with FBV2, the only difference is FBV3 not allowed to edit. You can view more document header information by click this icon. Here you will see the general data, entry data, and work control selecting. Click this icon to turn back. Double-click the debit entry, here will show you more details such as job attributes, cost center, functional area, and the description of this line entry. Click More button. You can view the business segment and other accounting elements such as the stakeholder vendor, warehouse/location, department, real estate object assignment, ICP code, the name of the train station that the customer uses for receiving routine deliveries, branch, and tax. Close this window. Click Tax button to display the tax amount, tax code, tax posting key, and tax calculation base amount. Click this icon to turn back. And click More Data button, here you will see amount in local currency and group currency. Click this icon to turn back. Double-click the credit entry, can also display the accounting elements of this line. Thanks for watching.
Okay, let's try to type the T-code FBV3 to display the document. FBV3. And then the document number is correct, press enter. At this time, you just only to view the document information, cannot allow to change because the T-code just only for displays. You click the document header to the information and also, okay, press enter. And click the line 1, you can see the line 1 information and then line 2. Okay, this function is just only for you to display the part document and did not allow you to amend because the function key is FBV3. Okay. Then exit to the main menu. Okay, the next topic is FBV0. This is talking about post part document. Let's watch the video first.
Hello, everyone, welcome to GL module course. In this short video, we'll introduce T-code FBV0 for part document posting. Input T-code FBV0 in command field and press enter to next screen. Input the company code, document number, fiscal year and press enter to next screen. If you don't remember the document number, you can find through document list. Search by general selections such as posting date, document date, entered by for user ID, etc. It can be selected by input single values or range, or exclude single values or range. Click this icon for execution. It will back to the previous screen. Click the Execute button in the upper left corner. Double-click the document that you need to post. You will see the screen of the document detail information. The same operations with FBV2, all the fields in bright colored can be edited before posting. Reference, document header text. General data by clicked document header button. Turn back. Double-click the double for checking and editing. Detail operating instructions. Please refer to the short video 4.5.2 Parked Document Changing. Turn back, click Save button to post the document. Here will be a warning message for tax. You can press Enter to ignore it if the transaction is no tax related. After the document posted, you will have the posting log displayed as it. Thanks for watching.
We are going to post the document. Please type the key code is FBV0. If you have already followed me to prepare the two accounting entry, then you have two documents are going to post. So at this time, you can click this document list. Okay, click this document list and then to fill in small criteria to search what kind of document you are going to post. Then the posting date is today, if you remember the date. And then I click this execute button. Okay, if you success to follow me to prepare the two exercise, then you should have two document number here. These two document number you are going to post to SAP. Then at this moment, you can click this icon to post one by one, or you can click this select all item to select all of the document going to post. So I'm going to select all. After you select all, you can click the post button directly here to post the document. After you post, you can see the log. The document number was posted. Can you follow? After you post, another function key is change the post document. This is the FV02. So please watch the video first.
Hello everyone, welcome to GL module course. In this short video, we'll introduce T-code FB02 and FB03 for posted document change and display. How to distinguish the function of T-code FBV2 from FB02 and FBV3 from FB03. What the difference between them is. FBV2 and FBV3 act on parked documents, and FB02 and FB03 act on posted documents. And FBV2 and FB02 are used to change documents, and FBV3 and FB03 are used to display documents. FB02 and FB03 have the same operation with FBV2 and FBV3. For detail operating processes, please refer to the short video 4.5.2 and 4.5.3. Following will introduce how to display a document list by FB03. Input T-code FB03 in command field and press Enter to next screen. Click Document List button. Set your selection criteria based on known information. And you also can appoint to search by your own document only. Click this icon can specify another selection criteria. Click this icon to execute. Double-click the document item to display. Thanks for watching.
Okay, now we're going to use the T-code FB02 to change the poster document. Okay, please click the Exit button, go to the main menu, type FB02. Okay. If you forget the document number, you can click the document list. And then you type more information. For example, I just only to extract for my own document. Then you click here, own document only, for my own document only. And then I just only to select the document type is SA. Okay, stand for General Account Code. And I select the posting range, say today. And then click the execute button. Okay, today I today post the document number here. Okay, you may double click any one of the document you want to change. After click the document, please click here. Do you see the third icon? This is called display document header. This cap icon, click once, just only allow you to change the reference information because this document already posts the amount or any other critical information. System did not allow you to change. For this, just only to change the reference number, then I type a little bit change and click the continuous. Okay, you may see the yellow sign. The yellow sign is meaning for warning. Enter the continuous. Okay, after you press enter and then press save button to save. You can see change has been saved. Now another function key is called FB03 to display the document. Remember this document 1085. Okay, I type FB03. This one, and then press enter. You can see I just already changed the reference number from underscore R has been added. Okay. Then we go back to the material. At the beginning, you can see the manual document entry. The 6 T code has been introduced to you. Okay, you can find a little bit difference for the change path document. The T code is FBV2, and another change document T code is FB02. This is similar, the change document, but this one FBV2 is changed for the unposted document, and FB02 is changed for a posted document. They are a little bit different, but similar. And the next one is FBV3. This is display the path document. If you want to display the poster document, then you may select the FB03. Okay, this is a very similar function. So refer to the material. The menu documents, another one is menu document in batch upload. This is talking about using Excel and then upload a lot of transactions to SAP. So let's go to watch a video first.
Hello everyone, welcome to GL module course. In this short video, we'll introduce T-code ZFI074 for manual document batch upload. Input ZFI074 and press enter to next step. Download the template and prepare the uploaded entry information. There are many fields in the template, but no need to fill in them all. Column A, this column requires to leave it blank. Column B, marks for same document number in several lines are equal to the same journal entry to be posted. Column C to BQ, document detail information. The fields required in the template are same as manual input BF65. save the upload template, and close this file. Click Upload button. Select file you saved. Fill in company code and description, and click this icon to upload. Check the status of uploaded items. Green means OK, yellow means warning, red means error. You may need to check and revise the template according to message text in last column. If there is any warning or error message, you need to correct your template and upload again after modification. Click Submit if the status is OK. After submitting, the state is changed to 02 submitted. Click Approve, the state is changed to 3A approved level 1. Click Approve again, the state is changed to 3B approved level 2. Click Approve for third time, the state is changed to 3C approved level 3. Then click Import. There will be a warning message that the creator and a reviewer cannot be the same person. You can press Enter to ignore this warning. System process will be continued. After the entries posted, you can find the document numbers here. Thanks for watching.
Okay. Another exercise will use the TCOG SAP-01 you are required to prepare a lot of the transaction upload in Excel, and then the three invoice will be covered. The first invoice will be in local currency. For my example, this is Malaysia ringgit. I think this is type your local currency. And the invoice 2 is foreign currency, and then the invoice 3 is local currency with tax amount. So please go to the command bar and then type the TCOG ZFI-074. After you type the TCOG, then system will bring you to the financial document import transaction page. Here, please click this template download. To download the template, please click here to download template. Needs time to download. Okay, you can see the robot. Yeah, here is still on downloading. Okay. Still on downloading. Okay, after download, initially you can see there's so many columns, but there's no need to fill in all of the columns. Okay, after you download, you may turn on all of the column informations. Okay. Please follow me to key in the related informations here. Okay. Because you're required to prepare the fee invoice, let me introduce for the column A. Please keep it blank. No need to key in anything. For the column B, the same number. This is meaning for same accounting entry. For the here, row 7 and row 8, this is meaning for the same accounting entry. You are required to prepare free invoice, then to follow my example, the first line, row 7 and row 8, this is the invoice number 1, and row 9 and row 10, this is invoice number 2, and then the row 11, 12, and 13, this is stand for invoice number 3. Will you please follow my sample and then key in each column one by one? For example, please type the column B and then to fill in the information, row 7, 8, and 1, row 9 to 10 is 2, and row 11 to 13 is 3. Okay, then next one is column C. Please type your company code.
Improvement the training.
Okay, maybe we can use this table. Right? Yes, yeah.
Or you can use my picture.
Yes, we can use it. But I have.
You need to plug your laptop.
Yeah.
So, where the
Continues. Any problem? Or how about let me easy to understand?
Hi, I have a question.
Yes.
You have mentioned that we need to put the company code in column C.
Yes.
What if the user select the wrong company code? Will the software stop there or let it go?
And if you select the wrong company code, I think
Yes.
this cannot be posted because you did not have the permission to go to another company.
Okay. So is it possible that we can just lock the company code manually for the each user ID if the your user belongs to Pakistan, so that company code is defaulted and nobody can change it. Is it possible?
I think to lock the company code, you need to check with SF IT team. Lock company code. You check.
Okay, we look down and ask the SFIT team accordingly.
Okay. Another thing that the process that you have you are just sharing, that the general ledger. Okay, so I was just thinking about it that there is a type of general ledgers, general type you can say. As I asked that the PV and the GV or the PC. So we are just particularly talking about the general voucher, or is it included all the petty cash entries or PV entries and the received voucher entries? So if is it the same, or the they have receipt voucher have the different module and the payment voucher have the different module? So can you please explain this this particular general ledger is only related to the general voucher or related to the whole general types?
And I think this is the truth. The truth you can use this upload template to upload depends on your document type. For example, here document type is general ledger and accounting entry. If for the AP transaction, then you may use the different account type for AP transaction. This depends on the document type here. But for this Excel, you just only to like the tools. You can use the tools to send the information from the Excel to SAP, a lot of transaction. No need to manually to update in SAP, because when you prepare and when you if you follow me for the current entry one by one, then this is the different document type you can select it. But in the Excel template, you can input a lot of transaction in different document type. So it's not only for the GL account, but also the accounting entry and expenses, or maybe payment voucher or something like that.
Sorry, for payment voucher, they will have a keyword in the AP invoice, so it will be suggest to do it in SAP market.
For payment voucher, I not suggest to use the upload template to update, because you are required to perform the account allocation. So you are not required to, you are not suggest to use auto template. For auto template, you may think about just only for the journal ledger and also the journal accounting entry and admin expenses. So something like that.
Okay, okay. One more question that the template you have showed that which where we can go and change the document type or number if we if the user input the wrong entry or the input the wrong number value, so he can go there and edit that by this T code you have shared with shared. So I just want to ask if the person who have uploaded the any type of document journal ledger, and after that he wants to record the same thing again with the different value, so is there a option that he can go there and duplicate that journal number, everything will be same, and change the value and upload that, re-upload that again? Is it possible?
Please wait, please wait.
So this
Hey, for your inquiry, if we just say for the journal entry, the journal accounting entry, when you post in the SAP, system allow you to post many times, or for example, say many times. But after you post the journal ledger accounting entry in SAP, system did not allow you to change. You must to reverse. You must to reverse in SAP for just like the offsetting. But for my demonstration to change, just only allow you to change the reference number. This is a limitation. So for the journal ledger type SA, after you post a transaction in SAP, system did not allow you to change amount, to change anything else. If you want to cancel or if you want to offset, you need to use another function. I will demonstrate to you later. This is called the reverse entry T code, reverse entry function. So this is what the GL can to follow you. The concept is allowed to post many times, but after post cannot allow to amend. You need to offset. For the AP transaction, there's a unique reference checking in the reference field. This is to avoid the duplication of the transaction. That means that for your example, if the supplier that has the same reference number, then the system after you post, and then the next one we call the template and then the post. The same invoice number, same reference number. System did not allow you to post because they have a unique reference checking here. So I think this is maybe a little bit comfortable for the AP same invoice number system has a logic to reject it. But for the journal entry, admin expenses, and also say salary, okay, then system after post, if you find a duplicate, then you need to prepare the offset, the reverse T code. Okay.
Okay, got it. Just want to just highlight one thing that you have mentioned that once we input any entry, any GL, so now we are not allowed to edit that entry except the one reference number, right?
Yes, right.
Yes, but if there is we are not having the rights So user can be make any mistakes and anything. So there will be so many offset entries if we count in the fiscal year or in the year or in the month. So there might be several entries. There are offset entries because user can make mistakes at any time. So in the accounting system right now we are using, so we have the permission to edit the entry and the but for the that particular month, if the month has gone and we have closed the financials, the period is closed, then we are not allowed to go back and change the entry. But if I'm standing in the any particular month and I haven't done my closing, so I can change the entry at any place. So can you please look into this, because the offsetting the entry and the making the another entry, so there might be some issues in the time when the auditor will be there. So there might be a question that why you are having offsetting entries back or having this, or I mean having offsetting entries 5 or 10 in month every month, or what is the issue? So, is it not possible that we are having the permission to edit the entry? Only one person can, one user, finance head of this particular region have the permission. Not every user has the permission. Only one person has the permission who can edit the entry and edit the value or the mistake, whatever the mistake the user made. So that person can edit the entry and correct this and to avoid this, the offsetting entry. Is it possible?
I think it is very not convenient because it just only allow specific person to take this task. Because for my point of view, the user who will prepare the accounting entry or who will prepare the wrong accounting entry, then this staff has the responsibility to perform the reverse entry in the SAP. So this is what they have all of the user. If the user allowed to input an accounting entry, then he also or the user also has a function to reverse, because what they do just only they has a responsible to correct it. So I think it is not appropriate for just only allow a specific person to get this permission to prepare the offset transaction. Do you think so? Otherwise, this person will don't understand what the data sourcing from come from, what the original entry, just ask to reverse. I think the case will be more complicated. Do you think so?
Also, we will closing the period, so it's not saying that every user can change every ledger every month. After we close the period, so all the closing ledger is not allowed to edit.
Yes, after perform the monthly closing, the old transaction details cannot be changed.
Yes, that's the point I'm saying, that after the closing, once the period is closed, we are not allowed to go back and change the entry. I'm just saying that if I'm standing in any month and if there is a data of particular month, for example, in November, if the user made the mistake, so I can go back, I can go into the November record and change that record and correct that. I'm just saying that I don't mean this that I can go back to October or September to change those entries. I'm not talking about, I'm talking about the particular current month where I'm standing.
To change the
Yes.
Reverse entry.
when the period close, you just only to allow to prepare the reverse entry for correction the wrong data in each period. Yeah, for the what say for offset transaction, system allow you to record the old transaction and prepare and then to create a new offset transaction in current month. That's mean the same as some system after the period close, you cannot allow to
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. No.
So SAP, after you post, after document is packed, that means it posted, it cannot be changed. Just only change the reference number. A very limitation information allow you to change. But a system allow you to prepare the reverse entry. So no matter close period or in current period, you can use the function to reverse the current entry for cancellation. If you find there any wrong entry after post, FB0 post it.
Even the record is related to the current period, I cannot go back and change it. Okay, right? Okay, I just need to reverse.
Period. After
Even
the
that.
post, that means after document post successfully by FBV0, then this transaction in current period cannot be changed. You must use reverse T code to prepare reverse entry, totally reverse for cancellation, even in current period.
Okay, got the point. One more thing that you have mentioned in the exchange rate once we create the invoice in the USD, and after that there is an option of more details. So once we click on the more detail, then we'll be having the local currency. Is it calculated on the basis of exchange rate we have inserted we have recorded in the system, or we can change it? Because sometimes it happens, for example, we receive the payment from any region, and in bank there is a exchange rate is different than we have input the exchange rate in the software, accounting software. So can we change it, or can we change the exchange rate, or how it works?
Yeah, this way. For this point, can you please write down your inquiry in the chat? We need to consult SAP-IT because the limitation, because your inquiry is covering for another application, not SAP only. It's covering for OCTP and then the CIAM. So will you please write down your inquiry in the chart, in the Zoom chart? Then I need to consult SAP-IT.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Then, if there any other inquiry, then can you please follow me to update the related information? Let's start to upload this. Try to upload this lot of transaction in SAP. So for your entity, please select your company code. If you forget your company code, please go to the SAP, please type F-65, and then here, please click the company code, and then to select your company code here. If you forget the company code, after you get the company code, please fill in the information in column C. After filling the information in column C, then column D, please use SA. SA document type stand for general ledger. And also the document column E, this is document date is YYYY and then DD and then okay MM and then DD, okay. And also the posting date same as the document date. Okay, after you key in the document posting date, the header text, the column G, you may type, for example, I'm going to prepare the accounting entry regarding for the income chargeback. So you type the information for the header text. And also column H, this is the period. Now please type 11 November. And then the reference number, this is unique reference checking. Okay, please type your invoice number. Then I take a little bit change. Okay, the invoice number. Then the column J is currency. This is your invoice currency, your billing currency. Invoice number 1, this is for local currency. Please type your local currency. The exchange rate keep blank. No need to type anything more. No need to type 1. Okay, please keep it blank. And the invoice two, this is talking about the foreign currency. So for my case, the foreign currency US dollar converts to Malaysian ringgit, the exchange rate will be multiple from 0.23. Okay, please type your conversion rate in converts to your local currency. And example 3, invoice 3, also the local currency. And then column L, this is the posting key. Please follow me. The line, the row 7 is 40. This is set aside. And the row number 8, this is the 31. This is put aside. And also, please follow me the same. 40 and 31 for row 11 and 12. And also, row 15, this is the debit side. And the row 16, this is credit side, and also the row 17, this is debit side for debit for tax payable. Okay, let's talk about the column M. This is account code for traveling expenses. Okay, for your information, please download the chart account under your company, and then to get the appropriation account code. And then regarding for the description of the child account. For the case, you can use, you can follow me. You can follow me to type the account code, and then the income account code. This is the income for Care Logistics Australia. You can follow me. And this one, the example invoice fee. This is talking about with tax code, with tax. The result will be same as here. The line 1 is the AP amount, the cost amount. Line 2 is spend account, and then the line B, this is the VAT tax amount. So go back to the upload template. Line 1, I'm going to debit the cost. And then the line 2, I'm going to credit the supplier, Intercom Care Logistics Australia. And the line 3, we are talking about the tax amount for this account code. Okay, if so, then go to the column 4. Please type the amount, debit and credit. Okay, please do not type the negative amount. For example, the credit side, you also need to type the positive amount. because the debit credit is determined in the column L. Same as column P, this is local currency amount. For the reporting currency, you need to set the formula. So formula from column K multiple to 0.11. For the tax code, okay, column Q, just only to fill in the tax code in the invoice number 3, A6. Others no need to key in. And then the column RST, please keep it blank, no need to type because not all of the column need to request to key in the informations. Okay, and then please follow me to type the related information just for the tax details, and then so and so. And also the column Y, we will default as the document date. Document date. And then the column AA, this is meaning for the payment method. You may follow me to type the E in the credit side. And also the call center in the column AB. If you forget the call center, you may go back to the SAP and then the call center. KS03, and then to get the call center information. Okay, then you click here to search your company call center here. Okay. Please type the call center information in the debit side. Okay, the row 7 is debit side, row 11 the debit side, and then 13, and then 17 is the debit side. If it's okay, then go to the column BJ. This is business segment. This is mandatory field. Each line you are required to key in the business segment. You can follow me to type the IDE and then export ILD. Okay, you can follow me IDE LD. And then the column BK, this is stand for AP. Okay, this is internal creditor. You're required to key in the internal vendor code. Okay, that's all. After you complete the column K, then to import this template, please click the Save button and then close the Excel and type the T code FI074. Please follow me to click the Upload button and then select the Excel you save. And then the company code. And then click the Enter button. Remember, click the Allow. Okay, make sure this is the green color. Green color is meaning for, okay, if you find yellow color, this is warning. If you find the red color is meaning for error. You need to fix the error first. If you go to the right hand side, then the message is prompt up okay. That means that your template, the total 7 row are okay. You can start to upload the information. Click the submit button. After you click the submit button, you can see the status 01 submitted, 02 submitted, and then click approve the button. And then you can see the status is 3A approved level 1, and then click the approve again. 3B approved level 2, and click the approve again. So after you 3C approved, you see the import button. You click the import button. The warning message you prompt up. Okay, please remember your warning message. You click the enter to continue. Now you can see the status is import to SAP. Go to the right hand side. You can see the document number 1, 2, 3. 3 document number are generated. So this 3 document number has posted to SAP. So the next one is after you post SAP, you can go to type the T code FB03. Do you remember FB03 is talking about display the document number? Okay, and then I click the enter. Or I click the document list, and then I click the own document, and then fiscal year. I fill some of the information, and posting day is today, and click the execute button.
Cecily,
Hi, Sid.
can you check, make sure they have, can follow you? Check the document list of others.
Okay, hi everybody, can you follow me to post the accounting entry by using the upload template?
They or maybe they have already input some documents, not import, one by one. You can check whether if there's somebody already finished the input. Choose another company call. Right.
I'm closing them.
Another company call. Okay, if others have done something, they
The range,
start.
I choose the range of company code. I choose the range of company code. And then
Clear the document. Clear the document type.
给他看了，
Give them blank. The clear the document type.
document type, leave it brand.
Yeah, leave blank.
Brand. Is it this one? And then click execute button.
Please do again. Only one? Only me?
No one, me one. No one for
Only.
me.
Who's coming call? Who's coming call? Let's see.
Me to upload the template.
Hello, or some, like,
Me.
at least they should create one document by one, vertical -5 and you post one document. Maybe they are too difficult for them to upload the batch input by batch input.
Oh, okay. If so, then everybody, will you please do it by yourself? Okay. Just only to upload one invoice. Do not follow me to upload free invoice. I think is it easy for you to follow. So you just only to view my demonstration, and then you may try by yourself later on. Let's continue to the next topics. It's okay. You may test by yourself. I suggest you do not follow me to prepare free invoice. You can prepare one invoice. Later you do the exercise by yourself. You do not follow me to prepare free invoice. So I just only to demonstrate to you after post and then how to search the post information. So later on you may prepare by yourself. Okay. Then let's continue. The next topic is talking about post reference. Okay, let's watch the video first. Listen. Okay, the next topic.
Hello everyone, welcome to GL module course. In this short video, we'll introduce T-code FBR2 and FBV0 for creating a new document by copy from an existing document. Input FBR2 and press enter to next step. Fill in the reference document number, company code and fiscal year. Select Display Line Items and Copy Segment and Partner Segment. By selecting these two options, all fields' value of the referred document will be copied to a new document and can be edited. You can also have the other selections in flow control as you need. Then press Enter to next page. You can change the information that in bright colored fields. Press Enter to next page for line items detail. Continue to press Enter to next page to modify the debit/credit line items. About the warning message, you can press Enter to continue the process if there is no need to revise warning items. Click this icon to overview the document. Click the Save button to park the document. Then you will get a new document voucher parted in system. Open a new window by input T-code FBV0. Check the information for this document. For detail operation process, please refer to the short video 4.5.4 parted document posting. Click the Save button to post this document. You will have the posting log displayed as it. Thanks for watching.
Okay,
go to the material. Okay, this is the function key is talking about FBR2. This is post with reference. The function of this function is talking about for creation a new document by copy from the existing document. Okay, please follow me. Okay, FBR2. If you forget the document number, please double click here. And then now I'm going to click the document list and then to search what's the document I posted to SAP, and then select the posting date today. And then I click the execute button. Now I'm going to select any one of the post document. Oh, okay, this one. Remember the document number is 1086. Okay, and then I go to the backspace. Okay, that's here. Now, documents. Okay, here, this one. Please remember to select the display line item and then the copy segment and partner segment. Now I'm going to use this T code to copy the document from 10686 and then to create a new document and enter. Then, for example, I just only to change a little bit reference number. I type a new and then new. Okay. And if I do not change anything, then I'll press enter to continue. I keep the amount the same, or you can change anything. So I type the text is the new document. I copy from and then I'm going to click the Save Post button. Remember, this is a warning message. Please enter to continue. And also, please click the button. Okay, then you can see another new document number is 1096. It's generated. So now I go back to FB0. And then press enter. Okay, you can see now I click this display document header icon. You can see this document. This document is just only type a new. Do you remember? I type a new. The new in the description in the header. This one is a new document. Copy from the document 1068. Okay, another T code is post document reversal. So please go to the video.
Hello everyone, welcome to GL module course. In this short video, we'll introduce T-code FB08 and FB03 for posted document reversal and reverse document display. Input FB08 and press enter to next step. Input the document number that you need to reverse, and fill in the company code and fiscal year. Select the reversal reason. 01, reversal in current period. 02, reversal in closed period. Double-click the reason code for choice. Fill in the reversal posting date and period. Click Display before reversal to review and double-confirm the document that will be reversed. You can click this icon to view the header text, and double-click the line item for more detailed
Recording
information.
stopped.
Click this icon to turn back if the document is confirmed to be reversed. Click the Save button to execute the reversal process, and you will have the document number for the reversal entry. Open a new window by input FB03 in command field and press enter. Input the document
Recording
number,
in progress.
company code, fiscal year and press enter to next page. You can click the Reversal Document button to display the reversal document. You will see in this reversal entry, the posting key and amount of the debit side and credit side were changed. Turn back. By click this icon, you also can see the reversal document number reversal reason here. Thanks for watching.
Okay, then the T codes for reversal type document is FB08. Type FB08, okay. And also I forget the document list, then click the document list to prompt up any document. I'm going to select it. For example, I select this document. Okay, and then now the reversal reason, please select the reverse in current period or reverse in closed period. If the original document in previous period, then you may select 02, but now I'm going to select 01. This is in current period. And then the posting days, I also selected today. And the posting period, same as November, and then, okay. Please click the display before reversal to ensure this document, for example, the bank, this is credit bank, this document you are going to reverse, okay? If so, then go back to this page and then click the post button. Now, another new document was given up. Okay, this is a new document was posted. Okay, then go to the view this document, FP03. And then this document just already reversed and press enter. You can remember the bank, the original document is credit bank. Now this is debit bank, okay? Or you can click display document header. Then you can see the reversal document from the last number is 66. Okay. And okay, and that's all. This function for cancellation, the offset invoice, offset the postal transaction. And the reversal document display FV03. Okay. And the next topic is
This function can display the account's balance and amount of debits and credits. Step 1. Input T-code FAGLB03 and press enter to next step. Step 2. Input the account number, company code, fiscal year, and click to execute. You can see the account's balance and amount of debits and credits and the accumulated balance. Step 3. Double-click the line items for more information. Select a line item, then click the display icon to enter the accounting certificate line item, and then click Call Up Document Overview to display the accounting document. Thanks for watching.
This topic is talking about GL account balance displays. The T code is FAGL B03. And enter. Account number, for example, I'm going to search account number 100 and then this one. So the bank account. Okay, the bank account, this bank account. I'm going to select this bank account and then to display, for example, total debit. Total debit, this amount, you double click. Then the details of this total debit amount will be displayed. If I click the accumulated balance, then the details of accumulated balance will be displayed. If I selected the document number, for example, select this one, and then you can see the ledger items. Okay. Now I'm going to display the document and then the call up document overview. You can see the original accounting entry of this document. So this function is for GL account balance displays. And the next one is GL balance item displays.
This function can display the account line items by open items, cleared items, and all items. Step 1. Input T-code FAGLB03 and press Enter to next step. Step 2. For GL account number, you can input the GL account number directly if you know it. Or click for fuzzy search by account number or description. Tips: *** is used as wildcard in SAP and you can use it for fuzzy search. Step 3. For line item selection, you can choose either open, cleared, or all items as you need. Fill in selection criteria and click for execution. Step 4. After the line items displayed, you can select the amount column and click for summary. Step 5. And you can choose other fields for subcalculation. As below screen, we subcalculated amount by the account. Step 6. Select the line item and click the display icon. You can have the document displayed. Thanks for watching.
Okay, this is topic, the last topic today, FAGLL03. And then the GL account code, for example, this is the bank account code. You can select the open item, clear item, and all item. Okay, anyone you want to display. And then now I'm going to select the open item and then click the execute button. And then okay, then you can select one of the function is change layout. Change layout, okay. You can see this is display column. The last column is text. If I want to add some more information, for example, the company code, I select it and then move to the left hand side. Then the one more column is company code. I click the enter. You can see one more column as now is display company code. And then for another function, you may refer to the menu or you may refer to the video. Okay, then for today's topic, this finished here. The monthly closing will be next topic, next session. Okay, any question for today's topic?
See to the chat. Could you do our chat? Maybe to
This is me.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. The version of my SAP looks different with what your version is. Can I still change to back to what you're using now, or have to stick on the new version?
Oh, do you mean the menu layout?
Sorry, my layout is a bit different with your layout. I think it's version.
Actually, do you have MS Teams account or you just have the function account?
I have all the functions. It's just well, when I see all the buttons, it's all different. And I'll show you. I'm in the group of our function, and I'll show you the version of what I got.
Okay.
Yeah, like this.
Function.
So the group KLNQAT training phase 3.
Phase 3.
Yeah.
Please your email address and I directly send you the document. Because for this one, actually, again, this is part of the installation. And when your IT colleagues install the SAP for you, he should also fine tune this menu for you. But doesn't matter, we can send you the document directly.
Okay, so I can install the old version.
And you can go back to our class version.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
sure.
Cecily just showed you how to set your screen.
How to
Really, go to that one. Go to the button of options to set the same to traditional. Yeah, here. Oh, yeah. Here.
to Cecily.
Click.
displays to you because the problem is Cecilia's menu already in the classic menu, and therefore all user, if they are in the latest menu, they cannot.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yes, please
Look
wait.
at the difference.
Yes, already looks different.
The position is same.
Straight.
Okay, you can cross for space consent. We can help you.
Biết rồi mà, biết cả mà.
Replace.
Hả?
Đây thì các bạn đi con thăm kìa. Tiếp phần.
Hả?
Đâu?
Thôi, cả.
Okay, for those colleagues you want to follow our classic menu, from now the screen, it shows you the step you can follow. First of all, on your SAP, you should go to, on the upper menu, you should go to More, and then SAP GUI setting and actions, and then options. Okay, after you have chosen this item, and then go to Visual Design Theme Setting. And the theme selection, choose SAP Signature Theme, as shown on screen here. Okay, and then press the Apply button. And then OK, and then you can log out SAP and then re-log in again. And you should be able to see the screen same as us. Can you try?
Yeah, it has changed.
Oh, you have changed. That's great. That's great.
Yes.
Successfully changed, right?
Same with your version now.
Okay.
Oh, so successfully changed, right?
Yes.
Great.
Okay, great. Okay. Then today's topic is finished here. If you have any inquiry, you can type in the chat, the show, or you do the exercise by yourself. Let's stop the today's topics here.
Cecily, can you please share those videos which you were playing regarding the GL? I couldn't find the link.
Sorry. Okay. Sharing for.
Videos, GL videos you were playing.
Well, you can go to the sharing folder to download by yourself.
Yeah.
The user manual and video already uploaded in sharing folder.
I am checking the sharing folder. It has no video. It has only PPT and Word files.
We check next time. And maybe I have to reply you. It's okay because all the material, including video, already uploaded in sharing folder. Actually, you can download by yourself.
Video is in phase 2 folder. Phase 3 folder is being uploaded, including today Zoom recording.
It's true.
Can you how about copy from phase 2 to phase 3 folder? Copy more the video to phase 3 folder also. Size line.
You put it on phase 2 吧。
Oh.
And we will review all the material again after all training. So you should be able to first to access today's video and also the material on the shared drive.
Can you please confirm the link I've just shared on the chat?
This is in my email with the training schedule. Actually, I have mentioned there are 4 points before training to get the SF ID, to access the material, etc. So you can find the link and the password there.
I have shared the link. Is it the link I've just shared on the chat box, the chat site?
He can forward the email again to you.
Okay, thank you.
Any more questions?
If no question, how about stop here today?
Secretary,
Hi.
will you show them the script of UAT?
The script of UAT.
They can follow the steps to practice. Maybe it's better. Do you have that document? Do you have?
Where do you upload in the sharing folder? What is the script? What is the script of phase B? Did you upload in the sharing folder? Script or is it the same? Can I use the phase 2 script document or anything else? 揾老師在哪裡啊？嗰個 script document 是不是在3个月份？
在那个就是在那个 share folder 里面，就是那个
share folder 里面
share folder。
等我看看
哎呀
share folder 在哪裡 ？share folder。training。哪裡啊？韦老師，哪裡啊？
Head training 吧。Let's go back
在
to
哪裡？
SAP file interchange up level。再上一层，go back。Go back。
Go back. Go back. Go back.
Here, UAT, you can click the image.
UAT. UAT.
Yes.
哪個？
List.
呢個。What's the user list?
Yes. Okay. Go back.
Go back. Go back.
Training historical. There's 2 data collection. Okay. 电话摇本。Training should be here. SAP training.
Should be SAP training.
Can you find it in phase 2? Maybe where did they copy the new script? You can click phase 2, phase 2, phase 2nd.
Phase 2.
Phase 2, yeah.
Phase 2.
User menu, not user menu. Test script, yes. This one.
This one.
Yeah. We can copy from phase 2. It's almost the same.
Copy from phase 2, but they're including Germany, Indonesia, Mongolia, Singapore.
Anyone click open that. Use Singapore, maybe better. Singapore.
Singapore.
Okay, yeah. That's simple.
This is their submission. This is prepared by the Singapore user.
Yeah, we can show them how to do. This is simple, okay. Open one. Open one. Open.
Show them how to do.
Open the first one.
The first one, this one.
Yeah.
download.
这是那个测试的那个脚本。这个。
你怎么样？
Actually, everybody, every country need to finish the test script. You can click the UAT-01. Yeah, let's choose. Okay, so they step to make this. Need to correct your account, but when you say the HQ is responsible, so local country can don't.
You can see my dumb screen. You can see my screen. This is the exercise. The exercise for the screen during the training. Okay, but
ट्रेनिंग चल रहा है 3 4 3 घंटे चेक तो साइन हो गया
in each country.
ट्रेनिंग में लगे हुए हैं सारे 3 3.5 4 घंटे की ट्रेनिंग है
Any questions? Any questions? So later you will receive this file. This file you are required to submit one country and submit one file to us. This file is covering for the GL part and then the SS and then also AP and AR. Okay, that means that for each of the country, for example, the GL. Today I already covering the topic regarding for the chart account and then the GL master data and then profit center call center, and then you may follow this script file and then to key in the exercise. To key in the exercise, for example, you use this function key FSP0 and then to follow the requirement, input the parameter. You key in the general account code and then do the exercise and key in here, and then to finally to submit your pass or fail. Okay, then for the GL page 2. Initially, just today already covering for your request to prepare the accounting entry to TICO is F-65. And then to write down all of the information when you prepare the accounting entry, for example, document header, document date, document type, and then so and so. Well, when you prepare the exercise and then you are requested to input this in here, and then also to give us the result whether the test pass or fail, and then if you have any remark information, you can write down here. So for the this script file for GL page sheet 3, this is talking about the input the batch by TICO FI074. Doing the same, you follow the input parameter and then to use the function key to do the exercise and to send the data in SAP. After you key all the information and then remember to type your result pass or fail. That means you successfully to do it or fail. If fail or anything else, you write down the remark. So, okay, you're required to prepare this sheet FB03, the function key, already demonstrate to you. So this script file, your request for each country to submit each file. So you may organize, you may organize any person to any staff to in charge of GL, any staff to prepare the SS, and anyone to prepare AP. Okay, this meaning for after you consolidate all the result, then you submit this file to us to confirm you are able to do the exercise by yourself. Can anyone understand? Is anyone understand what the meaning of this file?
We will update. I see somewhere need to update, like the contacts or some. Or I also think some people should be updated into another one. So I will. We will update this document.
Okay.
After
After you update a new document, can you please upload to the sharing folder?
Yeah, I will put it in the phase 3. You can check the 3.
Yeah, okay.
Let me explain in more detail. For every sheet of like 001, every country, local finance, you need to finish at least one person for finish all the steps. If you say the scenario was marked as HQ, you can keep it blank. You can keep it blank. Anyway, maybe you have interest, you can do it by yourself. But not necessary. You can escape the first one. Like HQ, the first step. Correct, as Chatham.
Okay, so then after you correct the device the script file and you upload in the sharing folder in phase 3, then and let us know, and then we may tell them where is the file and ask them to download by themselves.
We schedule. Scheduling to December. We send by email to you.
Okay.
But because our project plan only have a deadline of last day, so we'll give you a schedule which day we should do something.
Okay, then. Please send an email to us and then let them know the deadline to submit this script file.
Hi, Cecily.
Yes.
Yeah, I just want to ask that I couldn't find this file. Is it on the link site? Because the link folder hasn't. I cannot find this file here. Is there any link issue or is there any permission issue? Because I have seen only few data in here.
Actually, we should send the email to them so they don't need to find the file on the share folder. To them, maybe it's too complicated.
Okay. Then and then we will send an email. Send this file and then one will email to you.
Okay. Can you please clear one more thing that in the job attribute there was a 3 options: tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. What does this tiers means? Is it related to the management or finance or any operation side? Is it?
No, you can view the sales fee row number 1. This is talking about GL 111. This is talking about the 1, 2, 3, 4 topic. just already introduced to you in, today for the chapter how to use the function key FSP0 to search a account code, and then how to use the FS another T code FSSO, and then to search account code in company level, and also to display the call center and call center. This is covering for GL001. And GL002, you can go to the top. The description is talking about how to prepare the payment entry by the T-code F-65, and also how to use another T-code FB0 to post the document. And then the next one is talking about how to display the post document by T-code FB03. All of them I already introduced to you today, demonstrate to you already. So you can refer the top, and also GL0B again. You can see the difference in the top.
Cecilia, I'm talking about the job attributes while we were recording the GL. There was a job attribute option where there was three options: tier 1, tier 2, and 3. I'm talking about that option. That job attribute, what do you mean? What does that mean? That tier 1, tier 2, and 3. We have selected that time. We have selected the tier 1.
Your inquiry is talking about the labor cost tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. What's the difference?
Attributes. That option name was job attributes.
Job attribute.
Yeah.
And I will say, can you explain what's the meaning of T1, T2, T3 in the job attribute?
Yes, I'm asking.
吴老师，老师啊，老师。
Yes.
Mohan is asking for us what's the meaning of job attribute in the labor cost.
Oh, answered in the chat box. Job attributes. Job attribute. We divide our employee to 3 levels. The first one is for operation. First 2 are management, like not management, like sales, warehouse manager, like that kind of level 3. Level 2 is like warehouse manager or something sales, somebody like a sales person. Level 3 is for management. Currently, we don't use this anymore in Curry. Maybe for some analysis report, we need to show some figure in the management report, such as your department is a big department. There are different kind of job position. You need to divide to show your manager or your higher management level too. How many people, how many levels are you should belong to operation? How many labor costs should belong to management? Like that. So we have 3 job. Actually, we have 3 tiers of our employees.
Okay, got it. It means the first tier is for the operation, and another one is the manager side, and a third one is the management side. Okay, got you.
We least have one level 2 is like sales, site management. Level 2, level 1, level 3.
So it means it depends that which cost is related to whom. Is it related to operation or management or manager? Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Any inquiry? If no, can we stop here? How about
Cecilia.
Oh,
Cecilia,
I
do we have a standard definition for each year? Because same as the same definition of operation staff and supporting department management, the separate different tier. So I'm not quite sure because just Moham said mentioned is operation manager and management. So do we have a standard definition for each group?
Standard. In fact, the definition that they set up might be a little bit conflict to our carry point of view. And that's why we create another department to identify the direct costs and the admin costs ourselves. So, or we can put it this way, for the job attribute or the tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, just back to the SF definition to identify the direct cost or admin cost. But if put it to the carry reporting, all this analysis is not applicable.
Thank you.
So any other query? If no, maybe stop here, and if any question, just send it as email.
Also, you can ask us on function.
Yeah, sure, I will ask.
You haven't installed, I put it the connection on the chat box of this meeting. The URL location, you can copy it and download the software.
can you share the script, Nico? Yeah, the script will be sent out to all of you one email. Okay. If no question, let's stop here today. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, fine, bye.
Bye.